Hi everyone, my name is Leverick and I welcome you to the fourth part of my Rubik's Cube tutorial. In this part, we are gonna solve the edges this time. As you can see, we only have to solve 4 edges. Okay, let's begin. For solving the edges, we focus on the ones that don't have the color yellow. In this case, this cube we don't have the edge with the color in yellow, where we have all these 4 edges with the different colors, as you can see. Okay, and our purpose is to solve the second line. So what we are gonna complete is just a block like this one. So we must find an edge that is in its correct position. In this case, this one. It's already on its position, so it's connected with its center that is orange, and this one must be go here. So for solving it, it's like inserting the corners, but but a little different at the end. So it's like we hide, we open the door, we put it back again, we go down. Okay, now we rotate the cube, so we have to have the white layer in front. So we rotate y prime and we just insert it like a normal corner. U R U prime R prime. Okay, now I'm gonna do it on this cube. So the edges that have the color yellow, like this one, we ignore them. And we focus on the edges that have different colors, like this one that we did. So as we did, um, up, off, left, on, up, on, left, on. Y prime, we set the corner, up, on, right, on, up, off, right, off. Okay, let's do the next one. So as I said to you, we ignore the the edge that have the edges that have the color yellow. So let's do this one this time. This one does not have the color yellow, and it must be connected with its center that is red this time. So we are gonna move the top layer and we look for the red center. So I'm gonna move it on this way. Now I rotate. It's like it's what we do. So it's still not connected. So we still move the top layer and we rotate. So we have to have the edge always in front. So for finding the center that it must be connect the edge. It's still not, so we keep going. And we've found it. Okay, this edge must be here because it's the place that we have to insert it. Red, blue, red, blue. Okay, and we did as we did before. So we hide, we open the door, we put back the edge where it was, back and down. Okay, we rotate, we insert this edge like this. Now it's solved. Okay, now I do it on this cube, so as we did before. Up, off, left off, up on, left off, left on, excuse me. I think I said it wrong also before, but it doesn't matter. So we rotate Y prime and up on, right on, up, off, right off, and it's solved. Okay, let's look for the next one. That is here. So we must find its center that is green. So that's not green. Keep going. Nope. And it's here, and we must insert it here. So we hide it. We open the door. We put it back again. Down. We rotate and we insert it. So yes, as I said, the white layer must be in front for inserting. So we hide, we open the door, we put it back here back again, down, and the second layer is off. Now on this cube, so as I did before, we hide it. So up or on, up off, excuse me, right off, up on, left on, Y prime, up on, right on, up off, right off. Okay, now I'm gonna show you another insert that we can do with the edges. Okay, it could be also so this time can be so this time we have to insert it on the right side instead of on the left one. So it's just a mirror case. We hide, we open the door, we put it back again, and we go down. We rotate the cube, so we must have the white layer in the front, and yeah, we hide it. We open the door, we put it back again, and down. Okay, now I'll show you another case. What happens if the edge is flipped? So for this case, we just choose an edge that it's not that doesn't interest for us, that doesn't interest to us, and yeah, it doesn't matter if it has the color yellow on the edge. That doesn't matter. So we just choose this one, and yeah, we just take it out like this. So we hide it, we open the door, we put it back again, go down, we rotate the cube and we just insert it here. Okay, then we solve this edge. So, and we just solve it as we did before. Okay. And lastly, okay, in this case, if we want to take out the edges, so this case we as we did before with the flipped edge, where we just take it out and we put it and we insert it on its correct position. So we want to take out this one. So for example, we choose this edge that it doesn't interest to us. So we hide it, we open the door, we put it back again, go down, and we just insert it like this. Okay, and we're so what I showed you, it's just it's really important because you must know how to take out the edges and put them and insert them on their right position. Okay, and that was everything about solving the second layer. The next part of the tutorial, we are gonna solve the cross this time. Okay, see you there.